Biafrans and great viewers of this channel all over the world. I say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you, wherever you are watching this program from. This is Biafra Breaking News Media. We share all the informations as it happened. Please, I will duly apologize to every one of us for having not shared some content few days ago. It is as a result of personal engagements. So for that reason, everything you missed this week will be piled up in subsequent videos which I will post in this channel. So every content is going to be a long video. It's going to be short, but I will like to post them sequentially. So the length is not going to be the same, but trust me, the contents are valid and very important to all Biafrans. So in this particular program, I would like to share with you how it happened between ESN, Eastern Security Network, and the Nigerian police this day. Eastern Security Network resisted the Nigerian police intimidations as they engaged them fiercely in gunfire in Orlu Province, Imo State. We are still saying Imo State because as it is still being known as Imo State under the British contraption called Nigeria. So until Biafra is well actualized or fully actualized, we all know that Orlu is part of the provinces. So this day in the video you will be watching in a few minutes or in less than a few minutes from now, in less than a minute from now, sorry, you will see exactly what we mean by that Eastern Security Network has come to stay. And nothing, I repeat, will ever deter the existence. Let me say this, my people. I once shared it in one of the recent videos which I posted, and I'm going to repeat it. What is at stake and what is at stake, which is what is left for our people to fall into the dreaded hand of the northern oligarchy, is the security structure. Let for the social aspect of it, through the puppets, political slave boys which they mounted everywhere in all the eastern regions. The social and economic aspect has fallen already. And that is why you cannot see any single development in Igbo land. Any single development all over in the so-called Niger Delta. It is all about individual development. What in international political economy they call growth without development. That is what we witness on all eastern region. So there is a very strong hand strangulating the economic development of the people, and that is the northern oligarchy through their agents down there in the old eastern region. So, but I can assure you that the last thing left, which is still our own, is the security consciousness, the security structure of our people. Once we refuse to support Eastern Security Network, trust me, Igbo land will fall into the hands of northern oligarchy power brokers in Nigeria. And that is what they have been struggling for. They have been fighting for it through all the political means available. And they will continue to fight by the grace of God and never succeed. So my point here is whether you or your siblings or your family members are cooperating with the Nigerian security to threaten the Eastern Security network activities, we continue to urge you to stop, because all those actions has consequences. It has consequences and we won't take it. It is so uncalled for and it is absolutely unacceptable. Imagine everything that they are doing today is to ensure that our people are provoked so that they will see one reason or another to unleash mayhem on the innocent people of Old Eastern region. Because from every indication, from every evidences, ESN security guards were inside the bush only for the Nigerian Zoological Police to alight from their vehicle and go after them. So in their usual manner, they opened fire on Eastern Security Network guards. So in the customs and norms of self-defense, they resisted them with everything within their powers. To the brevity of Eastern Security Network, Nigerian police and their quack trains fled for their dear life, because they never expected that it would be to that extent. So the point here is we continue to defend and resist them, because that is the last thing left until we ensure that our people are secured. We continue to resist them. If you know what to do, if you know what to contribute, be it in the word of advice, be it financially, be it voluntarily, do not be afraid to do it. Do it with your heart. We need to defend ourselves with everything in us until the last man standing. We will not say when it is time. It is already time. Only very few of us know about it. It is already time. There is nothing like when it is time. When the time reached, such statement no longer exists. There is already undeclared war going on in Nigeria. So my people, thank you for watching this program, and stay tuned as I'll be dropping subsequent videos as it happened this week. Like I promised you, it's going to be a very packed video with a lot of information. God bless Martin Namdekano. God bless Eastern Security Network. God bless every great Biafran who have, in one way or another, contributed or even supported. Be it in a prayer is very important. Even if you don't have what it takes to support financially, your prayers are needed. Whichever way you support it, remain blessed. If you intend to support, remain blessed. But if you don't want to support, stay calm. Fight not against the people.
Look at them. The police people, they attack us here. We open fire with them, face to face. They run. Look at their car. Look at their car. Look at it. Look at this one here. They come out and attack us. I will open fire with them face to face. They left their cars and run away. Look at them. Inside bush where we are. Look at inside bush where we are. Inside bush where we are.
And we are here to fight for our father's freedom, our father's land.
Look at it.
Not do anybody bad.
Look at them.
But they want to kill us because
Look at
they
them.
think we are ordinary. But they don't know that we are not ordinary.